Hello, my name's Alec, and I must apologise for any background noise that my microphone's putting out right now, which I know it is. In this sort of demonstration thing, I will be showing the features of Dark AI for Dark Basic. I should probably put that down there. Right, I made a quick demo using some copy and paste source code from some of their documentation. You can see what I came up with. In this example, you have two friendlies. You have a sound trail behind you, which is what you can see. There are two enemies on patrol. You are in fact faster than them, just so you can escape and bugger about. Now, in this one here I'm going to be teasing them. In the top left you can see a little display. It tells you what they're doing. Now, AI 1 and 2 are enemies. AI 7 and 8 are, well, that's just the object number, are friendlies. The 0 after them means they can't attack, 1 will mean they can. Right, now the 90 degrees little arc thing in front of them is their seeing angle, as I'm sure you've guessed. And the other thing is their hearing angle. Now, just like any realistic thing, that was weird. With any realistic thing, if I go into their sound thing, they can hear me automatically. You can see that one there is coming out to investigate. Now, they haven't seen us yet, which kind of shows how really realistic it is, because once he gets to that point, as you'll see, he'll start looking around. So if he also hears this sound, he will look straight in its direction if he can. Now, what this means is that you can get something realistic, because, as you would, hear in any direction, that will come out and find you if it hears something. Now, this means then that you can also prioritize sounds by giving them different types, so more important ones and less important ones, so you can use things like rocks to go and distract them. The little green areas that you see coming around from some entities are areas where they will not go because something else is in the way. You can see right now that they are both searching for that sound, which is why they're looking around. Now, the good thing about this example here is it allows you to toy with them, play with them if you will. Green areas are also boundaries, which I probably didn't mention. What else? When an entity can attack another entity, as you'll see, because there are no health bars in this one, it's just a simple variable of if they can attack, they will behave like it. You can see that they'll prioritize staying next to the player because they're set to follow me. And at the same time, if they see an entity, they will not just stand there in front of it shooting, they will strafe around a little bit as well, which is very helpful. You can see it. Right, now you can get some very odd behaviours because of this, but at the same time I think that actually enhances the whole thing, because, except for that one on the left going in circles, because this shows that although the enemies are prioritising me as a target, they will also attack other ones in a not scripted way, because they will bounce around using random variables. Now, another thing that I should probably include that next one because Fraps doesn't record desktops, that concludes this basic one about buggering about with them. Thank you.